For what contributions does the President of India nominate members? A. Art, literature, science and social services. B. Military service and politics. C. Sports and business. D. Education and technology. The correct answer is A. Art, literature, science and social services. The preamble of the Constitution stresses which of the following principles? A. Authority and power. B. Hierarchy and control. C. Tradition and custom. D. Justice and liberty. The correct answer is D. Justice and liberty. What medium of communication is considered print media? A. Radio. B. Newspaper. C. Television. D. Internet. The correct answer is B. Newspaper. How many members represented Balochistan in the Constituent Assembly? A. 3. B. 93. C. 292. D. 1. The correct answer is D. 1. In which type of election do people directly vote for candidates? A. Referendum. B. Indirect elections. C. By-elections. D. Direct elections. The correct answer is D. Direct elections. Which of the following states does not possess a bicameral legislature? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Which of the following is considered the fourth pillar of democracy? A. Social change instruments. B. Media. C. Private companies. D. Economic activities. The correct answer is B. Media. What body is listed as part of the state legislature? A. Legislative Council. B. District Courts. C. Council of Ministers. D. Chief Minister. The correct answer is A. Legislative Council. What remained largely unchanged despite new challenges in India's foreign policy? A. Its economic policies. B. Its basic foreign policy framework. C. Its military alliances. D. Its internal political structure. The correct answer is B. Its basic foreign policy framework. Which of the following state union territories have a common high court? A. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. B. Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. C. Maharashtra and Gujarat. D. Assam and Bengal. The correct answer is B. Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. The service sector's main function is to provide what to the people? A. Goods. B. Services. C. Raw materials. D. Information only. The correct answer is B. Services. What geological feature is described as having steep slopes? A. Delta. B. Mountain. C. Plain. D. Plateau. The correct answer is D. Plateau. What is suggested as a way to help students sit together without bias? A. Individual study desks. B. Competitive sports. C. Community dining in the classroom. D. Separate dining areas. The correct answer is C. Community dining in the classroom. The movement and migration of people contributes to what aspect of India? A. Increased industrialization. B. Decreased population density. C. Improved infrastructure. D. Rich diversity. The correct answer is D. Rich diversity. Where did India conduct its first nuclear test? A. Balasore. B. Pokhran. C. Skolar. D. Nallore. The correct answer is B. Pokhran. Which type of family property was specifically excluded from female heirs' inheritance rights in the earlier legislation? A. Ancestral property. B. Hindu undivided family (HUF) property. C. Self-acquired property. D. Jointly owned property. The correct answer is B. Hindu undivided family (HUF) property. Which form of government is characterized by independent branches with overlapping functions? A. Parliamentary form of government. B. Presidential form of government. C. Unitary form of government. D. Federal form of government. The correct answer is A. Parliamentary form of government. According to the 2011 census, the lowest sex ratio was in which year for Bharat Ratna conferral? A. 1997. Born in 1994. Circa 1995. D. 1996. The correct answer is A. 1997. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? A. Fundamental duty. B. Fundamental rights. C. Preamble. D. Directive principles of state policy. The correct answer is B. Fundamental rights. Where are many islands and marginal seas found? A. On plateaus. B. In oceans. C. On plains. D. In rivers. The correct answer is B. In oceans. What type of representatives are elected in Lok Sabha elections? A. Members of Parliament. B. Village Panchayat members. C. Members of legislative assemblies. D. Municipal councillors. The correct answer is A. Members of Parliament. What is the term for the financial statement allocated in favor of a bill that is said to be passed? A. Budget. B. Scheme. C. Statement of account. D. Resolution. The correct answer is A. Budget. What entities were established at national and state levels to protect human rights? A. Civil liberties unions. B. Legislative assemblies. C. Human rights commissions. D. Judicial review boards. The correct answer is C. Human rights commissions. What type of media includes newspapers, magazine, journals, books, posters, and reports? A. Print media. B. Social media. C. Broadcast media. D. Web media. The correct answer is A. Print media. What is India's second largest border shared with? A. Pakistan. B. China. C. Myanmar. D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is C. Myanmar. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? A. The Governor. B. The Chief Minister. C. The Chief Justice of the High Court. D. The Speaker of the State Legislature. The correct answer is A. The Governor. What was the primary purpose of the Sarkaria Commission? A. To investigate center-state relations. B. To review electoral reforms. C. To establish economic policies. D. To propose judicial appointments. The correct answer is A. To investigate center-state relations. What is the importance of Grama Sabha? A. It selects the local bodies. B. It discusses and approves development plans. C. It collects local taxes. D. It appoints government officials. The correct answer is B. It discusses and approves development plans. What is defined as a setup where two or more parties are engaged in the exchange of goods, services, and information? A for market. B for warehouse. C for store. D for forum. The correct answer is A. A market. What type of event is Road Safety Week? A. A national event. B. A private exhibition. C. A global summit. D. A local sports tournament. The correct answer is A. A national event. How did you score?